This is some variety of begonia, our Indian begonia that I am trying to cover all these Western Ghats plants, and many of them are undocumented, and people are abysmally ignorant about these species. And I'm trying to get some publicity so that people learn to appreciate the beautiful species that nature has provided us in our vast country. And this begonia, I'm not trying to get the botanical name, but not succeeded. It's growing on absolute rock, laterite rock, and such a beautiful formation that I was taken aback and stunned actually. The whole wall of this, one surface of this rock has got these rare begonias, and it's a very tiny plant. The flower itself is I think hardly about 1 millimeter. And some of the first flowering buds have started, so I'll be covering this plant again and again, since I have a special soft corner for these begonias. Very beautiful little flowers, but you probably need special equipment to look at them. One more. The natural formation is amazing, and it seems to grow quite well along with this species, which I have not been able to find out what is the name. It has a soft to touch and delicate little plant, and all these are the begonias. And this place, it is next to a stream, so there is a very high humidity, moisture, as well as almost full canopy. So if a canopy is there, moisture and shade, and then these laterite type of rocks, and these little Western Ghats begonias.